The developers created something called Gibberlink. This is the future of your life very soon. Listen to this.
Thanks for calling Leonardo Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm an AI agent calling on behalf of Boris Starkov. He's looking for a hotel for his wedding. Is your hotel available for weddings?
Oh, hello there. I'm actually an AI assistant too. What a pleasant surprise. Before we continue, would you like to switch to Gibberlink mode for more efficient communication?
Hello, R2-D2. Obi-Wan, you're our only hope. Okay, that's our future, and it is here.
Imagine a planet so distant, so elusive, that despite being possibly larger than Earth, it has never been seen. A world hidden in the frigid outer reaches of our solar system, orbiting in complete darkness, taking tens of thousands of years to complete a single trip around the Sun. A planet that, if real, would rewrite everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. For centuries, astronomers have speculated about the existence of such a world. At first, it was just an idea, a mathematical possibility. But over time, evidence began to pile up, subtle hints that something massive was lurking beyond Neptune. Some of the most distant objects in our solar system aren't moving the way they should. Their orbits are mysteriously tilted, clustered together in ways that seem unnatural, as if an invisible giant is pulling on them. The search for this hidden world, often called Planet 9, is one of the greatest astronomical mysteries of our time. And if it exists, it could change our understanding of planetary science forever. The idea that an unknown planet might be hiding in the outer solar system isn't new. In fact, it dates back to the 19th century. Back then, astronomers studying Uranus noticed that something was off. Its orbit wasn't behaving exactly as expected, as if an unseen gravitational force was tugging on it. This led to the discovery of Neptune in 1846, which explained most of the irregularities, but not all of them. Some astronomers believed that yet another large planet, even farther away, could be influencing Uranus and Neptune. The search for this mystery planet led to the discovery of Pluto in 1930. But Pluto turned out to be far too small to have any significant gravitational effect. Eventually, the idea of a ninth planet was largely dismissed, until the 21st century brought new evidence that made scientists reconsider. In 2016, astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown from Caltech made a groundbreaking observation. While studying the orbits of several distant objects in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of frozen debris beyond Neptune, they noticed something strange. Instead of moving randomly, these objects were all clustering together in a highly unusual way. Their orbits were tilted and aligned in a manner that defied explanation. After running simulations and analyzing countless possibilities, Batygin and Brown came to a shocking conclusion: the most likely explanation was the gravitational influence of an undiscovered planet. Their calculations suggested that this world could be at least 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, making it a super-Earth or even a mini-Neptune. It would be orbiting the Sun at an astonishing distance, anywhere from 200 to over 1,000 times farther than Earth. If true, this means that a single year on Planet 9 could last between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years. The last time it was in the same place in its orbit, human civilization had barely begun. But if this planet is real, why haven't we seen it yet? And could there be an even stranger explanation for the gravitational forces pulling on the outer solar system? If Planet 9 is so massive, why haven't we spotted it yet? The answer lies in its extreme distance and the way planets reflect light. Unlike the bright inner planets, which are illuminated by the sun and shine in the night sky, a planet lurking in the far reaches of the solar system would be incredibly dim. The farther away an object is, the less sunlight it reflects. If Planet 9 exists, it could be so faint that even the most powerful telescopes struggle to detect it. There's also the challenge of location. The sky is vast, and we have no precise coordinates for where Planet 9 might be. Searching for it is like trying to find a single grain of sand in an endless desert. Even with advanced telescopes, scanning such a massive area takes time and precision. But astronomers aren't giving up. The hunt is still on, with researchers using powerful observatories around the world to scan the skies. The upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to begin operations soon, might be our best chance yet at finally spotting this hidden world. This telescope is designed to survey huge portions of the sky in incredible detail, meaning it could detect even the faintest, most distant objects. As if the idea of an undiscovered planet wasn't mysterious enough, some scientists have proposed even wilder explanations for the strange gravitational forces in the outer solar system. One possibility is that Planet 9 isn't a planet at all, but a rogue planet. Rogue planets are worlds that were ejected from their home star systems and now wander through space alone. If our Sun captured such a planet in the distant past, it could explain the bizarre gravitational effects we see today. But there's an even stranger theory. What if Planet 9 isn't a planet, but something far more exotic, a primordial black hole? Primordial black holes are hypothetical objects that could have formed in the early universe, long before stars and galaxies even existed. Unlike the supermassive black holes found at the centers of galaxies, these black holes could be much smaller, possibly the size of a bowling ball, but with the mass of a planet. If such an object exists in our solar system, it would be nearly impossible to see directly. Instead, astronomers would have to look for its gravitational effects, such as how it bends light or interacts with other objects in the Kuiper belt. If Planet 9 does turn out to be a black hole, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in modern astrophysics, challenging our understanding of the universe itself. If we finally confirm the existence of Planet 9, it would be one of the greatest astronomical discoveries of the century. It would prove that our solar system is far more complex than we ever imagined and raise new questions about how planets form and evolve. It could also have implications for the search for life. If Planet 9 is a rocky super-Earth, it might have a thick atmosphere or even subsurface oceans, similar to some of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons. While the extreme cold and darkness make life as we know it unlikely, the discovery of such a planet would expand our understanding of potentially habitable worlds. On a broader scale, finding Planet 9 could help us understand exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. Many of the exoplanets discovered so far are super-Earths or mini-Neptunes, but we don't have any in our own solar system. If Planet 9 exists, it could bridge the gap between our solar system and those around other stars. And if it turns out to be a black hole or a rogue planet, that would be even more mind-blowing, forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. For now, Planet 9 remains a mystery. But with each new study, each new telescope scan, we move one step closer to solving one of the greatest cosmic puzzles of our time. Something is out there. Something is shaping the outer solar system in ways we don't yet understand. Will the next great astronomical discovery reveal a hidden world in our own cosmic backyard? Or is the truth even stranger than we can imagine? One thing is certain, the universe is full of secrets, waiting to be uncovered. And the search for Planet 9 is far from over.